what is life all about? And Donna would answer me over and over, Mom, it's about making beautiful memories that you could look back, smile with happiness. Donna, I am so proud of you, of the woman that you have become. You are strong and you're beautiful. And I know in my heart that Grandma is looking down at both of you. Grandma Dolly is smiling and she is happy for both of you. If you continue to work hard and take time to enjoy each other, you will have a wonderful life. I love you both, my daughter and my son.
Wow, you look beautiful.
You look so handsome.
I promise to always be by your side during life's joys and hardships, just like you've always been there for me. Together, we will get through the challenges that life will bring, but I also promise that no matter how busy life gets, to set time aside for just us two, to enjoy life and keep our love strong. I will always be honest with you, try my best to give you space when you may need it, to pick you up when you're feeling down, and to love you with all my heart. I will forever be devoted to you, and I'm so excited to spend the rest of our lives together. Te amo mucho con todo mi corazón.